Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Institute Rank. Are you searching for a good institute for IIT JEE preparations in your city Varanasi? Then you should definitely watch this video till end, because in this video I will be discussing with you list of top IIT JEE coaching center in Varanasi. In this video, we will be discussing the top 4 institutes. So at rank 1, we have Momentum Career Classes. The address of the institute includes S275 Mahavir Mandir Road near Sabji Mandi Chauraha, Bhojubir Tagore Town, Orderly Bazaar, Varanasi, UP 221002. Their contact number includes 9455225535 and 9452246256. The Momentum Career Classes is a very famous coaching center in Varanasi, especially for their exceptional classes. They are reputed and very much dedicated. They believe in professionalism and know how to maintain healthy competition as well. Moreover, students can prepare themselves in a stress-free environment here. They scrutinize the difficult situation and then solve them step by step. Further, this academy is the perfect gateway for the best preparation for your IIT JEE examinations. Down to our rank 2, we have Career Guru Academy. The address of the institute includes Panchkoshi Road, Nai Basti, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh 221102. Their contact number is 084 333 32424. The fee structure is approximately a sum of rupees 60,000 for 1 year course. Now let us talk about the batch size. So the batch size here are about 20 to 25 students in a batch. So it is a less strength and student-teacher interaction is quite possible in a great manner. The website of the institute includes careerguruacademy.com and the email ID is info@careerguruacademy.com. Now let us talk about the key features of this institute. The very first is it provides quality education. Next, individuals' excellent development. An experienced team of educators is here. Classroom teaching with a systematic pattern. Moreover, tremendous class discussion with to the mark solution. And last one is regularly topic-wise tests and combined tests are conducted in the institute. The Career Guru Academy was built in 2007 with one motto, which is providing quality education for those students who are running in the race of competitive examination. This academy is led by young technocrats who are committed to provide a platform for training of national level medical and engineering entrance examinations. Now day by day, this academy is growing on the track of education with the result-oriented teaching process. Career Guru Academy is located in Varanasi and hold its position on number 1 in the list of top 10 IIT JEE coaching center in Varanasi. Though we have kept it in rank 2 because slightly Momentum Career Classes is better, and because of that it holds rank 1 and Career Guru Academy holds rank 2 in our ranking list. At rank 3, we have a very known institute across all over India, which is the Aakash Institute. So the address of the institute in Varanasi is B27/97, second floor, Dharan Singh Shiksha Mandal, Durga Kund, Varanasi, UP 221005. Their contact number includes 052 394 5454 and 8948 600 005. The website includes www.aakash.ac.in. Now let us talk about the general information of this institute. So, the institute is known for its prestigious works. They are the most preferred coaching center in Varanasi. Moreover, the faculty is highly skilled in their work. They conduct various competitive examinations like medical and engineering. They believe in providing quality education rather than just teaching. The infrastructure is good and the fee structure is nominal in nature. This institute is one of the best institutes you can ever get for IIT JEE preparations. The last institute we'll be talking about in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is JRS Tutorials. The address of the institute is JRS Bhavan, Durga Kund, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh 221005. Their contact numbers include 052 329 0510, 0542 2311 and 2311 The website is jrstutorials.ac.in and the email ID is info@jrstutorials.ac.in. JRS Tutorials is well known for their IIT JEE and medical coaching classes. This was established in the year 1994. Since then, they continuously produce the best result every year. Moreover, the faculty is well trained in their teaching process. For them, every student is their focal point, and just because of that, students do not need to worry about personal attention here. Further, the study booklet is well researched one. The infrastructure is well furnished and study environment is great here. So, these were our top 4 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city, Varanasi. Apart from all these, I would like to mention about one more institute, which is The Hindu Zone. Their website is www.thehinduzone.com. So, when you will connect to the institute, they will be providing you a free counseling session, which will be a great advantage for students, as students can discuss with them that according to their course, which institute will be best for them, and that too free of cost. A counseling session is provided here. I hope the video was informative, and for more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video.